Hello guys, again in my Ford F-150, and I want to show you one simple trick with the rear view camera in this vehicle that not all drivers actually know. So this is the screen. Let me turn to the rear, and you can see the rear camera is activated, and you have a plus here, plus button. If you touch to this plus, you will see that the camera changes its settings, and now you see exactly what is going on near your vehicle. So this is like a large perspective, and you can see whether there is some car or some other obstacle, and if you need to navigate really between some cars and obstacles, you can turn between these two modes and have more capabilities to navigate without hitting anyone. So hope this will helpful. See you in the next videos.